Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aisha Shish. So for those who are new here, karibuni sana. For those who are returning back, karibu tena sana, and thank you so much for taking time to come and watch this video. So guys, if you're a new subscriber, thank you so much. And if you're there, you're watching, you've not yet subscribed, please make sure you subscribe and watch till the end. So guys, today I just started by unhanging my clothes. It's around 12:30 p.m. So I was unhanging my clothes. So I'll get to unhang my clothes, then I'll fold them, but I won't fold them right now. I'll just fold them at night. Because I have some other things to do. So what I'm going to do, I'll just unhang them, and then we take lunch. After taking lunch, we are going to go to our mom's place. So guys, continue watching, continue enjoying my vlogs, and don't forget to comment down below. So guys, get to enjoy. So guys, here we are at our mom's place at our Tijan's grandma. Yeah, so we're just chilling out here, yeah, and getting to enjoy the day. So guys, continue watching. Tachapwa na auntie, unaharibu vitu zake. Endo tupe kwa dustbin. Endo tupe kwa dustbin, mimi sitaki. Utupe wapi? Guys, hope you're getting to enjoy the video. Yeah, so give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment down below. Yeah. And also don't forget to subscribe. If you're watching and yet you've not yet subscribed, get to subscribe. Please consider subscribing so that it can help my channel. Yeah, it will get to support my channel. So guys, here we are back home. Yeah, and I want to like get settled and start folding my clothes. Yeah, my baby is asleep already, and it's 9 p.m. Yeah, we got home at 9 p.m. Yeah, and the baby is asleep. Yeah, and I want to like put him on the bed, like lie him down on the bed, so that I'll get to do some other things like to fold my clothes and so on. Yeah, so immediately I laid him down, he woke up, so he didn't get to sleep. Yeah, so we just folded the clothes with him. Yeah, so guys, enjoy the video and get to like the video. Yeah, and comment down below, and also consider subscribing. Of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can
will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you mine and my street. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny your love makes me feel alive. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try and to change it. I wanna be loved by you. Loved by you. Loved by you.
So guys, in this bag, this is where I put my baby's clothes. Yeah, so since we don't have wardrobes, yeah, so I get to put my baby's clothes here. Yeah, I hope you're getting to enjoy the video, guys. And in there I put socks, kofia, and everything. And in this other bag I put my clothes, yeah, my day-to-day clothes. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.